There are a lot of things that are plastic around our house these days, like our planters, plastic chairs, maybe garden gnomes. I'm sure all of you have a pink flamingo. Well, you can successfully paint things on the exterior of your house that are plastic by, first of all, you want to lightly sand the surface, then you want to wipe it down, and then the real important thing is to use a paint that's formulated for painting plastic. There's a lot of it out there, and like any type of spraying that you may be doing, you want to shake the can well, and you want to put several light coats on, allowing it to dry in between. Now, when you have little accents like this, here's a good trick for you. Instead of trying to tape all of this off and spray it, just spray a little bit of the paint right on a paper plate, then use a little artist brush like this to take care of all the little details.